Andra, stop sleeping, Andra.
Ini bukan tidur ya.
Karena namanya yang benar Kumara ke toilet. Apa sih itu Kumara toilet itu maksudnya apa?
Lagi ke toilet kali, Madam.
Ini harus lihat apakah ada penyusup di sini.
Goodness.
Oke, insya Allah aman ya. Alright, are you ready for tomorrow English midterm test?
No.
Ready.
Oh,
Not ready.
very ready. Wow,
Ready. I'm so ready.
so ready, so ready.
Is it as hard as the test, like the daily test?
What's the daily test? Hard. Arya,
And
playing Arya.
Arias playing follow, Miss. Arias playing follow. He's online. He's online.
Arya,
I'm using VOD, miss. It's not me playing Valo. It's just a video.
just use the usual background. Can you do that?
Sure, okay.
Alright, Miss akan review soal past continuous sama past tense aja ya. Kalau soal teks kan kalian tinggal baca isian teksnya. It's about comprehend the text, jadi kalian harus kayak benar-benar memahami teksnya dengan baik. Okay? Now, I'm going to, wait, where was it? Okay, I'm going to give you a link. Please open this link and do the exercise, and we're going to discuss the answer together. I will give you 5 minutes to finish the exercise.
How many questions, Miss?
This. Can you see the link that I shared to you?
Yes, Madam.
Miss, where is the absent link, Miss?
Oh, the attendance link. Wait. And here is the attendance link. And remember, whoever get 100, I will give you a block. Now, can you see the screen?
Yes,
Let's
miss.
go.
Yes, Madam.
The link that I shared to you.
Yes, madam.
Now, take a look. Number 1.
Hit, Miss. Hit is hit, Miss.
The answer is
Hit.
hit. Kenapa hit?
Because was right now.
That was right now. Yang lagi
Because it happened suddenly.
yeah, hit is the one that interrupted the previous activity. What is the previous activity? Doing the homework.
Doing the homework, Miss.
Before the stone hit the window, I learned homework, right? You start doing the homework before the stone hit the window.
Yes, yes,
And when the
yes.
stone hit
Yes,
the
yes.
window, you are
Was
still
waiting.
doing the homework. So that's why this one is the interrupted one. Jadi diingat baik-baik. Kalau misalnya past continuous itu dia yang lebih panjang activity-nya, yang lagi berlangsung saat itu. Sementara past tense-nya itu yang sesuatu yang interrupted. Bisa nggak dua-duanya pakai past continuous di sini? I was doing my homework when the stone was hitting the window.
Enggak.
Bisa nggak?
Yes.
Cannot.
Kenapa Kenneth Alam? Alam sok-sokan di ini nih. Connectionnya emang nggak kedengeran suaranya. Are you losing your connection?
Pura-pura itu
Bisa jawab nggak? Iya, Miss tahu. Ada yang bisa jawab nggak? Kenapa ini nggak bisa pakai past continuous? I was doing my homework when the stone was hitting the window. Kenapa nggak bisa begitu?
Suaranya gak enak.
Suaranya nggak enak.
karena
Miss, is it because that they're not happening at the same time and like it's like when? So yeah.
Ya, remember after when you use past
Tense.
simple, right?
Oh.
Nah,
Yeah.
first, that one correct, Sabita. Kedua yang Sabita bilang juga betul gitu. Because mereka nggak jalan barengan, nggak pas lagi dari awal ngerjain PR, terus selama ngerjain PR, batunya tuh hitting the window, nggak selama itu kan. It's only like in a short moment. That's why it use hit. Number 2, everyone
Went. We're waiting.
We're waiting.
everyone itu masuknya ke singular atau
I
plural?
mean,
Plural.
singular.
Everyone.
Single. Was.
Everyone is
plural.
Was waiting.
one kan? So everyone was waiting. Kecuali kalau subjeknya people. If it's people, it becomes were waiting.
Were.
Yes. Number 3, Ryan and I
We're playing.
Were playing tennis when
We're
Ryan
playing
broke.
tennis when Ryan broke.
Yes, Ryan and I were playing tennis when Ryan broke the stick. Number
Mes,
4.
Aku
Ya.
boleh nanya nggak?
Boleh, kenapa Gusti?
Kalau kita pakai were-nya itu pas kapan, Miss?
Kapan pakai were, kapan pakai was gitu maksud kamu?
Iya, Miss.
Oke, ada yang bisa jawab pertanyaannya Gusti, kapan pakai were, kapan pakai was?
Kalau was pas satu benda atau satu orang doang, tapi
Kalau
kalau were tuh
were itu
orangnya
lebih dari
banyak.
satu.
Betul. Kalau was itu
Ah.
ketika subjeknya ini apa? Everyone tuh kan subjeknya kan? Kenapa
Iya,
di sini
Miss.
dia pakai was? Kenapa? Karena dia bilang setiap orang. Berarti kan persatuan orang ya kan?
Oh, iya, Miss. Oke.
Berarti dia masuknya singular. Sementara ini Ryan and I ada berapa? Tunggal apa jamak, Gusti?
Tunggal.
Ryan and I.
Oh, ada 2, Miss.
Jamak kan?
Plural.
Plural.
Gampang, Miss.
Yeah, that's why it used were. Ryan and I were playing tennis when Ryan broke his foot. Number 4, when we
We're watching TV.
We're watching.
when we were
We're
watching
watching.
TV,
That arrived. Arrived.
that was arriving or that arrived home?
That arrived.
That
Arrive.
arrived. That arrived.
Oke, jawabannya arrived. Why? Because tadi kan mereka nggak berlangsung bersama-sama dari awal. Kalau dua-duanya pakai past continuous berarti dua-duanya tuh sedang berlangsung bersama-sama dari awal. Oke? Number 5, Jason
Pas collecting.
was collecting his prize
When his mobile phone rang.
when his mobile phone rang. Yang interrupted kan mobile phone rangnya kan? Correct, Rafa. Number 6.
We're eating.
We weren't having.
We were having.
Run away.
Weren't.
Weren't having.
Kita nggak lagi makan malam ketika you called round. Called round tuh manggil untuk berkumpul. Number 7.
Was watching TV.
Nobody was watching the TV.
TV.
Oke. Kalau nobody itu dia subjeknya singular atau plural?
Single.
Single. Karena nobody here. Correct. Nobody was watching the TV, so we switched it off. Number 8. I was listening to the radio when
Heard.
Hearing.
Heard.
I was hearing or I heard.
Heard.
Kenapa heard bukan was hearing?
Karena
dia ngelakuinnya barengan.
Was hearing ya.
Iya betul, karena nggak barengan. Karena kan dia interrupted lagi dengerin radio. Masa dengerin radio tiba-tiba sambil ngedengerin orang Kan enggak kan? So it's I heard. Number 9.
Wait, can I see the full text for one second?
This is the full text.
Uh,
Kan?
what were they doing?
What were they doing?
What were they doing when the electricity went off?
Ya, what were they doing when the electricity went off?
Mana sih?
Itu dari kemarin masih problemnya kayaknya di questions ya. Kayak
Ngapain sih kamu?
construct the questions kan. Remember, to construct the question, kalau kalau ada question word dulu. What, why, who itu question word. Lalu kalau dia pakai past continuous berarti was atau were. Baru diikuti sama to be. If it past tense, habis question word apa?
Did
Ya, did, betul. It's supposed to have did if it's grammatically correct. What were they doing when the electricity went off? Number 10. What?
What
What was
doing?
Max
What's
doing?
doing?
Max doing.
What was Max doing when you saw him? Dia lagi ngapain sih? Kan gitu kan pertanyaannya. Dia lagi ngapain sih waktu kamu lagi lihat dia? Number 11. I found my toy when I...
Was tidying my room.
Was tidying.
Right. Karena lagi beres-beres, terus nemu mainan kan. Grandpa?
Found some
Found.
coins.
Found.
Yeah, Grandpa found some old coins when he was working in the garden. Number 13, when the children were visiting the zoo, an elephant
Escaped.
Escape.
ya tiba-tiba escape kan. The phone
Rang.
Rang.
rang. When I was
Mes, aku boleh nanya lagi nggak, Mes?
oleh Gusti.
Itu kan nomor 12 kan ada dua hal yang terjadi. Itu kok nggak pakai was atau was finding, Miss?
Oke, nomor 12 ada dua hal yang terjadi. Kenapa nggak pakai was finding? Ada yang mau bantu jawab dulu? Kenapa jawabannya found?
karena dia tiba-tiba nemu.
Ya, karena kan lagi mengerjakan sesuatu di kebun, tiba-tiba nemu. Proses nemunya ini nggak selama bekerja di kebun kan, hanya di satu waktu yang interrupted, yang menyela kegiatan di kebun ini, Gusti. That's why it is
Oke, Miss.
okay.
Thank you, Miss.
Miss
Yes,
Miss
Sabita.
Kiki, I also want to ask, itu kenapa when he was working bukan while he was working in the garden?
Oke, sebenarnya
Because it was in the past.
when sama while itu bisa dipakai kapan saja. Cuma di sini pernah bilang sama kalian, ketika pertanyaannya yang blanknya itu when atau while, kalian harus lihat habis when itu past tense, habis while itu past continuous. Untuk informal, Bita, when sama while itu is exchangeable actually.
Oh, oke.
Tapi sebenarnya Miss Kiki buat memudahkan kalian ya, kalau nanti pertanyaan Miss Kiki, clue-nya kalian adalah after when is past tense, after while is past continuous. Okay?
Okay, Miss. So in the SHBS, it's always gonna be like that?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Miss.
Number 15.
What were you doing when the storm started?
What were you doing when the storm started? Ya, sebenarnya grammatically correct-nya tadi emang dia berbeda penggunaannya Bita. Cuma informally itu kan formal use ya. Kalau kayak di essay atau apa. Tapi kalau informally it's exchangeable. Okay? Now let's see the answer. Is it correct? Kok dia nggak mau sih? Why? Check answer. Yay, your score is 15 out of 15. That's all correct. Okay. Before that, ada nggak yang belum ngerjain quiz atau daily test? Udah semua ya?
Lupa, Miss.
Lupa, Miss cek dulu sebentar. Bentar ya, sambil Miss cek. Soalnya Miss mau buka quiznya buat kalian review. But I need to check whether anyone hasn't done the quiz yet.
Which one, Miss?
Siapa? Siapa yang belum ngerjain quiz?
Which one?
Quiz yang pertama.
Oh, which
Ingat
quiz?
nggak?
Oh. Uh,
Enggak, oke, enggak apa. Nanti Miss buka semua. Ini juga kan udah semua ya. Ada nggak yang belum daily test? Hmm, oke, ada beberapa yang belum daily test. Enggak, udah. Daily test sudah semua. Nanti Miss buka semua ya. Jadi kalian bisa buka di LMS habis open class. Alright, next one. Exercise. Right. I think I really need to change the laptop because my laptop is working very slow. Oke, Miss akan share ini di sini. Nanti kalian tinggal download. Oke. Tapi kita akan juga bahas jawabannya bareng-bareng di Zoom. Alright. Jadi kalau kalian mau review lagi, kalian bisa print out di rumah. Where is chat?
Halo.
Hi, wait. Miss Rizky sending something. Oke. Sudah kelihatan apa yang Miss kirim di chat?
Yes.
Nah, itu kalian belum ya, masih loading nih. Kalian bisa buka, nanti bisa dikerjakan di rumah. Nah, kita bahas dulu jawabannya di sini. Oke, kelihatan? Number 1. Miss, nanti isian juga nggak kayak gini? Enggak, nanti semuanya pilihan ganda. Oke? Tapi bisa jadi ntar kayak pilihannya 1 apa, 2 apa untuk A, B, C-nya.
Miss,
Ya,
bakal ada yang kayak isian kayak di daily testnya nggak, Miss?
nggak semuanya pilihan ganda, baby.
Oke.
Nanti misalnya soalnya kayak gini, nanti kan pilihannya di kayak gini misalnya. A, misalnya, was walking, strip, started. B, was walking, strip, was starting. Gitu, oke baby?
Oke, Miss, ada sama ada pilihan ganda majemuk nggak?
Ada pilihan ganda majemuk. Sama nanti ada model soal numerasi. Itu sebenarnya semuanya hitungannya ada di teks ya. Hitungannya hanya perkalian pembagian. Kalian harus baca lagi teksnya lebih teliti, oke?
Oke, thank you, Miss.
Oke, number 1. What is
Miss,
I was walking
contoh
in the
numerasinya
park.
gimana, Miss?
Contoh numerasinya kan kita belajar soal extreme weather ya. Misalnya numerasinya itu eh, korban korban jiwa enggak. Misalnya ini misal tentang tsunami, the peak of the tsunami. Dia dibilang dampak tsunami-nya itu 3 kali luas Bekasi misalnya. Kasih tahu nih dampak tsunami-nya itu 15.000 kilometer persegi. Berarti luas Bekasi berapa?
Oke, Miss. Terima kasih.
Jawabannya berapa?
Gak tahu, Miss.
Dampak tsunami-nya itu dia tuh menghancurkan area sebesar 15.000 kilometer persegi, which is 3 kalinya luasnya Bekasi. Berarti luas Bekasi berapa?
5.000.
5.000. Gampang kan sebenarnya kan?
Yap.
Ya, model-model kayak gitu. Terus nanti ada grafik. Kalian kayak ngitung dari grafiknya. Next, number 1.
I was walking in the park
I was walking in the park
Yeah, I was
when
walking
it suddenly
When it
started to rain.
suddenly started to rain.
Correct. This one is I was walking in the park. Jangan lupa to be-nya ya. I was walking in the park when it suddenly started to rain. Number 2. What?
What were you doing at 8 p.m. last night?
Oke. Miss coba open ininya deh, annotation ya. Kalian bisa annotate ya? You can, okay, I enable the annotation. So you can type the answer yourself here.
Miss Kiki, can I ask something?
Ya, Sabita?
Di soal latihan SHBS for students tuh aku perhatiin di apa namanya exercise kayak past continuous sama past tense-nya tuh kalau past continuous tuh selalu nyebutin specific time-nya tuh jam ya, Miss.
Ya, most kan past continuous itu dipakai ada 3 kali ya, like in each event. First, when they are talking about specific time, misalnya kayak nomor 2 nih, ya kan? Ada specific time-nya kan, Bita?
Iya.
Jawabannya what were
You doing at 8
doing
p.m.
at 8 p.m. last night. Yang kedua, ketika dia itu interrupted by another activity. Kamu mau cerita kalau kamu lagi ngelakuin sesuatu, something interrupted your activity. Misalnya, I was talking when Bita asked. Ya kan, Miss lagi ngomong, terus Sabita nanya nih. Berarti kan, Sabita nanya apa sih? Pas Miss Rizky lagi ngomong. That's the second time. The third time, ketika kamu mau ngasih tahu kalau kamu ngelakuin sesuatu berbarengan sama hal lain. Ya. Miss Rizky was teaching English when the other student playing Roblox. Jadi Miss lagi ngajar, tapi yang lainnya main Roblox. Berbareng. Gitu. Oke?
Oke, Miss. Berarti kalau misalnya past tense, misalnya dia tuh kayak specific time juga, tapi dia nggak nyebutin waktu berarti ya? Like,
Kalau past tense itu dia bukan nggak spesifik banget, misalnya cuma ngomong last night ya. Misalnya, I had dinner and watched TV last night. Kenapa dua-duanya pakai past tense? Karena ketika kamu ngomong had dinner sama watch TV, mostly kamu ngelakuinnya itu like in sequence, nggak berbarengan. Ya kan? Kamu makan malam dulu, baru nonton TV. Ya bisa sih makan sambil nonton TV, tapi kan itu kan jarang banget terjadi. Oke? That's why it's just past tense. Number 2. Ayo, ini nggak ada yang mau annotate nih jawabannya nomor 2
thank
sampai
you, Miss Kiki.
anytime, Bita. Come on, guys. Can you do annotation?
Yes. Which one? Which one?
Nomor 2 sampai nomor 10. Number 2 until number 10, Kumara. Correct. Number 3. Yes, when I saw Tom, he was apakah?
Waiting.
He was waiting. Yes, correct, Keiko. Number 4.
Benar ya? Bilang dulu. Iya, lap dong nih.
The children
Bekas kayak bol.
playing outside
Ini.
while their mom was cooking dinner. Nah, yang nomor 4 ini kan dua-duanya berjalan bersamaan kan? Ada yang main, ada yang masak gitu. That's why both of them use past continuous. 5. My dad took a picture of me while I wasn't looking. Correct. Number 6. She was reading a book when she heard a loud outside. Correct. Number 7. We were cleaning the house all morning. We were cleaning the house all morning. Benar nggak?
Miss, bukannya we cleaned?
We clean or we were cleaning? Okay, for number 7, the answer is kenapa jawabannya we're cleaning? Who answered this one?
Me.
Jawabannya we're cleaning, Kumara.
Um. Uh. Because I think they're talking about the past since all morning.
Does it talk only about the past? Lagi ngomongin, jadi kalau past continuous itu dipakai ketika kamu lagi ngomongin sesuatu yang berlangsung saat itu. Nah, kalau past tense cuma ngasih tahu, oh I did this thing.
Oh,
Jadi jawabannya apa? Clean atau were cleaning?
cleaned. Wait. We're cleaning, I think.
Benar, were cleaning. Kenapa were cleaning? Karena kamu ngasih tahu kalau sepanjang pagi kamu tuh lagi ngelakuin ini. That's correct. Number 8, he broke his arm while he was playing football, correct? Number 9, I wasn't listening to the teacher, so I didn't understand the question, correct? Number 10, at 4 p.m. last Monday, I finished
Finished.
work and
Went.
home, correct? Number 11,
I can't see because of the text.
number 11,
Uh, my
My
phone
phone
rang
was
while I
rang
was
when
eating.
I
phone rang or was ringing?
Was
Was ringing.
Yeah.
My
Oh, no,
phone
no,
rang
what-
while
Ring,
I
ring,
was
ring, ring,
eating
ring.
dinner.
Yes, my phone rang while I was eating dinner, correct? Number 12.
We're talking.
I saw you yesterday. You were talking to Jane.
Correct, Angel. I saw you yesterday. You were talking to Jane. 13.
The storm started while we were driving on the motorway.
Correct. The storm started while we were driving on the motorway. 14.
When we arrived, the band was playing our favorite song.
Right. When we arrived, the band was playing our favorite song. 15.
I get up.
I got up.
I got up.
Made breakfast,
I
then
made
left
breakfast
for
and
work.
was and left.
And then
Ya,
left for
semuanya
work.
pakai past tense ya, karena kan dia semuanya nggak ada yang beririsan kan kejadiannya kan. Semuanya in sequence. So I got up, made breakfast, and then left for work.
Miss,
Yes, Kania?
that means we use past tense for something like yang kegiatannya pergantian gitu.
Kalau dia semuanya tuh nggak ada yang beririsan, berarti dia pakai past tense semua. Ada nggak
Oke.
yang tulisan got up sama making breakfast? Enggak kan?
Enggak.
Sama leave for work. Dia cuma mau ngasih tahu tadi pagi tuh dia bangun, terus dia bikin sarapan, terus dia berangkat kerja. Nah, pakai past continuous itu kalau kamu bener mau highlight, aku tuh lagi melakukan hal ini. Atau hal ini sedang terjadi. Itu yang mau kamu highlight. Di nomor 15 kan nggak ada yang mau di-highlight soal itu kan? That's why it use past tense. Okay?
Oke, Miss.
Okay, 16, sorry.
He was walking down the street when
He
he
was
suddenly
walking
fell.
down the street
suddenly
when he
fell.
suddenly fell.
Alright, he was walking down the street when he suddenly fell. Oke, masih ada pertanyaan nggak so far? Still confusing. Mudah-mudahan sudah jelas ya. Adakah yang masih belum jelas? Masih mengganjal, masih miss, ini apa sih? Aku masih belum ngerti. Just tell me.
Insya Allah tidak.
Insya Allah enggak. Oke, ini ada siapa nih? 4D, Danis Onauki.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Before we leave, please open your camera because I would like to take a picture. So please open your camera. Start from the first page. Rafa, put down your phone. All right. Hold your smile. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. All right. The next one. Hold your smile. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Thank you. The next one again. Oh, the next one masih udah tutup semua nih. Ayo. Ini mau dibuka nggak kameranya? Akmar, Alam, Chen, Amira, Alika, Airi, Bram, Kenzie.
I was eating, Miss.
That's okay. Just open your camera for a second. All right, guys, come on. Let's open your camera. Amira, there's two Amira here. Divya, Amira and Divya. Aliza, Alicia, Olive, Airi, Leah. You can open the camera, okay. Chen, Daka, Ale, Raisha, Sena. Okay, ready? Open your camera, hold your smile. 1, 2, 3. Cheese. Okay, the next one again. Kayaknya banyak nih yang kamera yang nggak open. Yang mudah-mudahan yang kameranya tidak terbuka tetap mendengarkan dengan baik ya. Camera bug. Okay, that's okay, Alfan. Let's see whether Pak Fatih is already here. Ustadz Fatih, are you here? I cannot see.
Yeah, yes.
Oh iya,
Yeah.
Ustadz Fatih, saya izin hostnya dialihkan ke Pak Ustadz Fatih ya.
Siap nih, terima kasih.
Sama. Alright guys, see you tomorrow. Good luck for tomorrow. Bye.
Bye,
Thank you,
Miss.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.